welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a haul, kind of a collective haul. I got some things from Walmart, some things from Colourpop, and some things from Sengens. So let's just get started. My name is Ashley. I enjoy doing beauty videos, unboxing videos, anything to that nature. And if you enjoy that, please stick around. I love to have you, and I like to talk in the comment, if I could talk. I like to talk and chat in the comments, so please leave me a message and let's get started. I am actually gonna go wash these off my hands. These are from my BoxyCharm, so actually I'll be back. All right, I got those washed off, so now I am ready to start the video. I think I'm gonna start with Colourpop. I only got a few things, 3, and I do have another order in. They had the sale this last weekend. So anyways, I got this blending sponge. I do love a beauty blender. I'm kind of hardcore beauty blender. I do like the Real Techniques. It's probably my second favorite. I decided to try this for whatever reason. This feels and looks, besides the color's lighter, like the Real Techniques one. So I don't know, we'll see how it is. I'm very picky. Hopefully, if I don't use it, I'll give it to my daughter, but I'm hoping it will work out nice. Let me know if you've tried that. The next thing I picked up was the Disney Collection palette. This was, I guess, their first one because they have that new one. This one's called It's a Princess Thing, and there's no mirror, but it has all of these type colors. So they're so pretty and so many to use. And I'm so excited to try it. I can't even wait. Like, this Juju color is so pretty. All of these are. I mean, this looks like these are all matte. And these are all satin and maybe shimmerish. I don't know, shimmerish. I'm excited. Let me know if you have this and what you think. The next thing I got is the Smoke Show palette. I love black and white and gray for clothing. So I thought, oh, maybe I'll like this. I don't know. We'll see. I'm optimistic. I think it's going to be so pretty, especially for the holiday, to make maybe a black smoky look if I wanted to wear like a red dress or something. I don't know why I put those together, but I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. If anything, this would be a good like supplemental palette that I could add like to smoke things out. Maybe not on its own, but we'll see. I'm gonna play around with it in the next couple weeks and we'll figure it out. So that was all I got from Colourpop. The next I got from Sengens, which is Lip Sense. I know their brand is called Sengens or something. But I got a few things that were newer to me. So they now have, or they had for a while, who knows, the Lip Sense Moisturizing Tinted Balm, which I've been obsessed with tinted balms lately. Hello. I can't even tell if that's readable. It's a tinted lip balm, so I haven't opened it yet. I'm hoping it is tinted. It is kind of in a dark color, so it's blush pink. So I'm hoping it will give some good tint, but I got that. I did get one Shadow Sense. This is in French Roast. So it looks to be kind of like I'm not gonna swatch these because these do not come off, which is great. But it looks kind of like a chocolate brown, but with a little bit of red in it, like a rust brown maybe, but more brown than rust. I don't know. I don't know if that's a good description, but it's an everyday color or an easy color to wear. And then I got one lip gloss and one lip color. So the lip color I got was in Sunstone. I never even saw this released. So when I saw the person that I buy from use it, it was gorgeous on her. And I always hate that because she has a naturally olive skin and everything looks beautiful on her. Where with my paler skin, it's harder, it's hard. So it looked good on her, which probably means it won't look good on me, but I wanted to try it because it looked like a color that I would like. And then the gloss that I got was the Pom Pom Pink. Again, I don't know when they released this because I feel like I try to stay on top of things. I mean, maybe this summer I got behind, but I don't know. I know I said I wasn't gonna really buy much from them anymore, but I lied. And then she sent me this really cute bag, which I have a daughter that loves blue anything. So she's going to be, I know she's already asked me like 3 times to have this and I've said no, but I might pass it to her just because I know how much she loves blue. But I've just been keeping these new products in here. So that is everything I got from Senjance. Let me know if you use this company. I don't see anybody use them, but I do like a few of their products. Their lip stuff is good, but it's definitely an acquired lip product. You have to learn how to use it and learn to like it. But let me get my Walmart stuff and I will go over and show you that. So I still have it in bags. So the first thing I got was this little cute suit set for my son. We go to church every Sunday and the big boys wear like suit coats, and he wanted one so bad. And I had a bunch when my oldest was a little boy, but I can't find them. So I don't know if I gave them away, but I thought I'll buy a cheap one because he is like grown. I just bought him new pants. They are already floods. And I bought them, he's all, Mom, these are old. This was this morning. And I'm like, well, they're not your new jeans? He goes, no, these are old. You bought me them the first day of school. Okay, it's only October. School started the end of August. They're like too short. So he's growing so fast, so I don't want to spend money until he's gonna stay in something for a while. But I saw this at Walmart. It was 25 bucks. You get the pants, the shirt, and the coat. I mostly like the coat. I mean, I'm sure he'll use these pants. I don't know if he'll use this shirt though, but I figured he has that choice. I did get a basket. I'm trying to organize my samples and I couldn't find what I was like envisioning. And I still don't know why I just bought this, but I bought a basket. So we'll see what I decide to do with that. All right, I did buy another pair of jeans for him because like I said, he just grew out of his. I do like the Wranglers. I got him the size 8. He is 8 years old, but he's so skinny and he's always been on the shorter side. So I think I was still buying him 7s, but I went up a size and got slim. So hopefully these will fit. Again, I don't like to spend a lot of money because they grow out of clothes so fast. And then my daughter needed a black sweatshirt for her Halloween costume. I've kind of put it off buying one, and then, because I couldn't find one at the store that was just all black. So I was gonna have to order like from Amazon. And then I just saw they had this. So I got her, she wants it baggy and oversized. I think it was in the women's section or the athletic section, but I got it in a medium, so it'd be pretty baggy on her. But she's gonna be a ninja with a bunch of her friends. They're just basically wearing all black with a colored bandana. All right, let me finish the clothes things. So the next 4 items are the exact same shirt that I got 4 of. So I have this sweater that I bought from American Eagle last year, and I only bought one, and I regret it to this day. I should have gotten every color and probably even multiples, but I only got gray, and it is so soft and so comfy, and I just, I love it. Well, I was like walking through Walmart. I wasn't gonna stop in their clothes section, and I saw this because I was there probably a week and a half ago and didn't see anything new. But again, I haven't been there in like a week and a half, which isn't that long. And I saw these on an end cap and I was like, what? So I went over and touched them, and they feel just like the American Eagle ones. So it looks just like this. It has the slit here and, you know, kind of the ribbing bottom and ribbing on the legs, the arms, and they're so soft. It does have a line down the back. I know some people don't like that. I don't mind. And that they were 10 bucks. 10 bucks. So I bought 4 of them. I got in the size large. I do feel like Time and True runs big on most things, a little bit big, because I normally probably would have sized up to an extra large to have it kind of more roomy, but I decided to go to a large just by the way it looked. So I got this white, it's not gray, but it kind of has a gray cast to it. So it's not pure white, which is good for me because pure white doesn't last. But I'm not telling, I'm not joking. That looks exactly like the American Eagle one. The American Eagle one is a little bit thicker. Not necessarily heavier, but the fabric is thicker. But it's the same feel and it looks the same. So I got it in the blue. So I don't know if you can see the details a little bit better. The little slit, so it's a little bit longer in the back than the front, but not much. Then the ribbing on the arms and the sleeves. And again, this one was large too. They're all large. I got it in pink because who doesn't need a baby pink sweater? I don't know when I'll wear this, but I'll figure out a day. Not that I need to wear it anywhere. Around the house is fine too. And then I got I think they're supposed to be red, but it's not really red. I mean, compared to the pink one, it's a little bit redder, but it's kind of a pink. But anyway, they got all 4 of those. They did have a gray, which I did not get because the one from American Eagle is gray. And so I thought, okay, I won't get that one, but I was going to. Did they have another color I didn't get? I want to say maybe there was one more color, but I don't remember. Now I think I want to go get it. I'm nuts. I have just learned at my old age, that if I find a clothing item, especially up top clothing item, well, actually anything, but whatever, I buy multiples, because when I go home and try it on and love it and go back, I usually can't find it anymore, or it's sold out, or unless I go back the same day. And I know I should probably try things on at the store. I'm horrible about doing that, and if I hate them, then I'll return them all. So I'll try them on. If I hate it, I'll return them all, but at least I won't miss out, because someone has to post a video that's big on YouTube, and then everyone goes out and buys it. So anyways, the last clothing item I got was this Ghostbusters shirt. So I don't know if my daughter will do it, but my oldest daughter didn't say anything about dressing up for Halloween. And so if I leave it up to her, she'll go as nothing. She'll be boring. And so I thought, well, maybe I'll get her this shirt. She can say she's a ghost hunter and wear this with leggings, and that's it. And that's not really dressing up, but it would be for her because she would never ever wear that any other time. But then she can use it as a sleep shirt maybe. And I don't know if she'll like it, but that was my thinking. The last thing I got from Walmart is some makeup. So let me get those out of this bag so I don't make sounds. Okay, so I had a whole bunch of makeup in my cart to begin with, and then I was trying to be good, so I scaled down. My kids hate it that I grab a bunch and then I spend the rest of the time going back through the store to put it all back. And I am bad sometimes in not putting it back where it goes, but I try to. I think my kids usually do it, but anyways, so I had a whole bunch more. I scaled it back. I still got 6 things, so not like I scaled it back that much. So I found the Airspun loose face highlighters. They had 3 of them in my store. I did not get the gold one, which I think was the deepest color. They're not really dark as it is, but I went with the Pink Me Up and the Snow Much Ice. So I want to show them together because then you can kind of see the difference. This one's the pink one. This one's the lighter, more like champagne color, not really white, like you would assume from its name. I'm excited to try these. So I've heard people talk about them. There's one YouTuber, I can't remember her name ever, but she's talked about them, that she thinks they're just so good. So I really wanted to try them. I was so excited to find them. Then I had almost bought this probably a month ago, and then I put it back and I decided to get it today. It's the Revlon Cheek Flushing Tint, and obviously it's a blush, and it is in the color Hot. So I was confused because they had 3 colors. One looked peach, one looked pink, one looked, darker or whatever. And the This one was in the peach color, but it says hot, and they both said hot. Then the pink swatch, the package was peach. So I was just so confused. So I just went with this one, and I hope I picked right, because I don't like peach blushes, but I was confused on that, so I don't know. Then the last thing I got was the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Tinted Lip Treatment. I can't remember, I'm sorry, who I saw on YouTube talk about these, but I literally wanted to get the ones they talked about. I think I got 2 of the ones, but 1 different. So these look so nice. Like I said, I'm obsessed with lip balms right now, but I wanted to have some type of color. So there's this color in the shade Tawny Nude. And then there is this shade in the Love Bite, so kind of a red. And then last, I got the shade Tickled Pink, which is this. So I'll show you them all together. So Tawny Nude, Love Bite, and Tickled Pink. Tawny Nude is this one. But they look like they might be like somewhat of a lipstick, but moisturizing. So I am super excited. Hopefully I get these lids on right. And I like how you put them on and you twist. I don't know. I really like this. I'm so excited to have these and try them out. I'm gonna go put it actually on right now. But that is everything in my haul. Let me know what you've picked up soon or recently. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.